I am your English teacher Monapriya speaking. In the last class, we have seen the poem Our Casuarina Tree in both Tamil and English version. I have posted that video in the last session. Now we are going to see the appreciation questions in detail. See, in the first stanza, we have these questions. What is winding round and round? Creeper like cracked trunk is winding round and round. While you are writing the answer, you have to write it in a complete sentence. What is compared to python? A creeper. How were the creepers growing? It embraces and binds that no other tree could grow. Love. Describe its winding. Its winding is very deep, that is intended deep. How was the tree look like? Looked as if giant wearing the scarf. What is the tree's summit? Summit height near the stars, as if it is nearing the star. Who embraces whom? Creeper embraces the casuarina tree. The tree stands like a giant, where flowers are hanging from the creepers among the boughs means branches of the trees. See here. And the 10th question, what are gathered on the trees? Bird and bee. What was the thing made the garden overflow? Sweet songs. How were the men during that time? Repose. Repose means state of rest or they were sleeping. Rhyme scheme and rhyming word for first stanza. If they ask totally, this is the rhyme scheme A, B, B, A, C, D, D, C and B, B, and rhyming words are the following words. If they ask separately, you have to write the separate rhyme scheme of the lines. Usually they'll ask only for 4 lines. You can write as it is A, B, B, A. That will be a right answer for your question, for the questions. Just I am moving up the slides like this. You don't feel that you couldn't zoom that. You just take a screenshot and you can zoom as much as you want. I have given a very detailed appreciation for you, so please follow this. What is meant by the second stanza? What is meant by casement? A type of window that is fixed on one side and open like a door. What is compared to baboon? A statue. What does baboon mean? Baboon is a kind of monkey lived in Asia and Africa. What is baboon watching? The sunrise. What does offspring refer here? Offspring refers young one of the baboon, young one of the monkey. What does the offering do? Offering do leaps and plays. That is, they are very, very naughty. They are jumping from one branch to another branch. What are kokilas? Kokilas are birds like cuckoos. They used to sing a very sweet song. What does Puny mean? Puny means sturdy or weak. Sturdy means very strong or weak sometimes. What does hor mean? Hor means cluster. What is compared to water lilies springing? That is en masse, heap, or else en masse means heaped snow. What does the poet watch on the tree? The poet watches a baboon, birds, a bee, and offspring of the baboon. See the third stanza. What does the tree brings to the pole? Third stanza. What does the tree brings to the poet? The tree brings nostalgic memories. Nostalgic memories means the past remembrance. This nostalgic word, remembrance, reminiscence, are the most important word which is related to this poem. What does the poetess recollect? Her childhood days. Where did they play? Among the boughs of the casuarina tree. For whose sake she wants the tree so dearer? For her companion's sake. Why was she blind with tears? Because of memories. Because of the memories, her eyes were covered with tears. What does the poet hear? The dirge, murmuring, that is sad song. Give the meaning of dirge, mournful. Mournful means sad, sad song. What does the poet compare the murmur to? The sound of the sea waves breaking on the shingle, rocky beach. What is the airy? Airy means strange speech. I have given the meaning in the brackets. The lament of the tree. Airy speech. This airy speech is given as lament of the tree. What did the lament reach? Where did the lament reach? It may reach to the unknown lands where no one could go. See, fourth stanza. What is the puzzle in the line unknown yet well known? There is a puzzle. While you are reading that line, you can get a puzzle there. That is, you cannot get a clear picture. So, it is understood as a puzzle. She is saying the last days, that is death, or else France or Italy. It is mentioned there. Who is waiting? Casuarina tree is waiting. Where is the wail? Wail means weeping. Heard. She could hear the wail. That is in the distant land and in the trees. What does thee refer to? Thee refer to Casuarina tree. Where does the poet see the tree? In her own beloved native land, she could see the tree. Wherever she goes, she used to see the same feel. In the fifth stanza, to whom is the line addressed to? To the Casuarina tree. To whom does thou refer to? That is also Casuarina tree. Which deathless tree is compared to here? Always in this line we will make the mistake that usually we will give the answer as Casuarina tree, because since from the beginning we are giving it as Casuarina tree, Casuarina tree, Casuarina tree. So here also we automatically, without thinking, we use the word Casuarina tree, but you have to think it over that which deathless tree is compared, to here? The Eve tree in Barrowdale. What is meant by Barrowdale? Barrowdale is a valley in England whose poem is referred to here. These things are referred in Wordsworth's. Few more short answers I have given here. How does the creeper appear on the tree? The creeper with its red crimson flower appears like a scarf for the tree. Describe the garden during the night. The garden overflows with sweet song of a nightingale which has no end. Does nature communicate with human being? Yes, the nature always communicate with human being. Only a mind which has peacefulness can understand. Is it not? What has Wordsworth sanctified in this poem? He sanctified, that is, make holy, consecrate the Eve tree of Barrowdale in his verse. The Casuarina tree will be remembered forever. Why? The poets loved towards it and has happy memories of her childhood days. Sixth question. Describe Casuarina tree. Its type is deciduous tree. Its life is very long period. Its height is 100 meter or above. It sounds like a soothing sound. Stem, small cones and big straight stem. Seventh question. What does the Casuarina tree symbolize? Everlasting friendship. Eighth question. What is the theme of the poem? Lasting friendship and lost childhood. What is the tone? Remembrance, reminiscence. I have already told you, nostalgic, remembrance and reminiscence are the three most important words very much related to this poem. How is the tree depicted in the poem? As a grand and charming. See, I have given here a few of the poetic devices, like a huge python, alliteration, repetition, zoomorphism or simile. The trunk indented deep with scar. I have already told you what is meant by imagery. And next one is hyperbole. You just see. Well, I have already given the explanations for these poetic devices. So just you can have a screenshot and you can go through it. There are two hyperbole in this 15 sentences. And see, already we have seen one simile there, and here is, see here we have seen one simile in the first, like a huge python, first line itself. And then see this here 16th one simile, and then 24th one simile. And the personification, just you can easily identify simile and personification. And we have seen 3 similes till now, like, and one personification, one metaphorical. So then remaining you can use imagery, and then apostrophe also here, that is 20th one is apostrophe. And then from 30 to 38 you can see apostrophe, that means totally you're having, you just see that these are alliterations. You just see that in the 38 lines, that is poetic device lines, we have 3 similes, one here 2 personification, already we had one, 3 simile, 3 personification, and then 1 apostrophe. You just count that 33rd is apostrophe. And you can see, can you notice, 20th is apostrophe. And then can you see any other apostrophe here? Just you see 2 apostrophe. Repetitions, few repetitions you can see. Metaphorical 2, you can write both with the 35th with the deathless trees like those in Barodale. You can both write metaphorical or else a simile for this. And when the 30th question, when earth lay trance in a dreamless swoon, you can both write as imagery and then metaphorical. So you can easily remember what all the poetic devices used here. And see, these are the few alliterations. You have to write like this, in the slash you have to write the sound as r sound is repeated, k sound is repeated, b sound is repeated. It is not b, it is not r, it is not k. You have to write it in slash so that it indicates the sound. And here are the book back appreciation questions. Like Python, they asked to write the poetic device. See, simile and metaphor are there in, simile and alliteration are there in the line, and imagery is on the B, and then C, alliteration, metaphor, D. You can easily note that is simile, and implied simile, that is metaphor, and then simile. You just take a screenshot like this, or else you just take a screenshot and then you can zoom. It will be very easier for you. Let me attach the PDF of the book, that means poem, that will be very easy for you to notice. You are having the glossary there. You must read the glossary meanings. There is a chance for asking the questions from the glossary in synonyms too. And here is the book back paragraph fill up. If you fill the paragraph, you can get a paragraph answer here. Just for your reference I have given, and then I'll attach the glossary here. You just see, and you must write separately, and you have to read. It is must. Thank you.